Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to add League of Legends to Steam, but don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for this channel. So let's start. So from Steam you have to go to the add a game on the bottom left corner and then select add a non-Steam game. It will load up, and once that's done, just scroll down till you find League of Legends, or you can select browse if you cannot find that. So just go through the app that you installed. I currently do not install the League of Legends, but you should be able to find that and just hit on open. Once that's done, take the packs of League of Legends and select add selected programs and go to library, and that should be visible on your end. So let's say this is League of Legends. Now you can customize it by right click on it and set a background for it, or you can also rename the game by click on it and click properties. Now you can type in the name of your choice for it. So that's how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Bye.